Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to fix form not submitting in Webflow in 2026. So forms are a part of a website that you can add to literally any website that you have simply by going to designer mode and clicking on plus here and having your own form ready to go. So this is how a form looks like, and sometimes these forms are not going to be submitting. As an example, if I went to my website and I try to write here my name and an email address, this works, but when it comes to clicking the submit, it doesn't really work. So how can we fix that? Well, the first solution that I really suggest to anyone is to actually check if you do have the submit button, because this is something that's literally like a lot of people forget about. The submit button is essential. Now, by default, it will be visible, but sometimes the actual software will hide it. So go to your settings here, go view all settings, and I'm gonna click on submit to be more specific. So here I'm on the submit button, and then in here, visibility, choose it to be visible. This is very important. If it wasn't visible, people can't see it, so they can't submit the form. Of course, you can change other stuff like text and the loading text here. If there was any custom attributes you given to it, maybe they have given it the error, so make sure to check them out and simply correct them if they were wrong. If you had a redirection, make sure to fix that. Anywhere else that doesn't work, fix that from here. Everything basically, this is like the setting page of the submit button, so make sure to configure it out. Now also ensure every input field has a unique ID, so you can go here. This one has name 2 and this one has email 2. So this is very important to know as well, and verify that the reCAPTCHA keys are correctly configured in project settings. Once you have all of these things set it up, the submit button should go back to functioning again. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.